Hey, my name is Kevin Buck. I'm with Servpro of the Twin Ports, and I'm here with a customer named Dan who has a few thoughts about his recent service experience. Hey, Dan, how are you doing today?
Good, good.
Okay, so recently you had a water situation happen at your house, right? Maybe tell us a little bit. You had some frozen pipes? Is that what
Frozen pipes. I had two of them that burst and flooded my whole downstairs. I've stuffed down. It was just a mess. So I called the insurance company to find out what to do because I've never been in this situation, and they gave me a list of 3 companies that I can call for the mitigation and the cleanup of it. And I picked Servpro not because I ever heard of them, but because they were first on my list. I'm very glad I did.
Good. So what happened then when you discovered that water? Was it kind of was you said 2 or 3 inches down
Oh
in
yeah,
the basement?
on the whole base, it was a mess. Sheetrock, everything's wet. It's just a terrible, terrible, horrible mess. But Servpro came in here, and these guys are such hard workers. In fact, when I called Servpro, they said they'd be here in 2 hours, and they were. I figured it'd be days because of how busy everyone is. They were right here. They kept me apprised of everything they were doing. There was no surprises, and the work they do is second to none. I'd recommend them to anybody. I am so happy with them. I'm just glad I picked them. And now I do know them, so I would recommend them to anybody.
Well, that's a fantastic commercial. We should just put you on TV.
Cool.
So now we're at the place where everything is tore apart downstairs, and now we need to get it all put back together. So we're gonna put some new flooring in and some new base trim, repaint the whole place. So it should be good as new when it's all done. That'll be nice, a nice feeling to know when it's all completed. Huh?
I can't wait because this has just been other than Servpro, it's been a horrible, horrible experience for my family and me. I don't wish that on anybody, but you know, I selected Servpro to continue on and do the reconstruction just because of how they work. Their men are so respectful and so nice, and it's a great company. I'm really glad. Servpro, like it never even happened. Did you get that, you finger?